So with that being said, guys, one more time, thank you guys again for hopping on today's call. This is the IX Global Overview, where we're going to be breaking down our platform, sharing with you guys on how you can become a member of one of the best and the fastest self-betterment platforms that we have here out in the entire industry, guys. Super, amazing, innovative platform that we've kind of put together for you guys, allowing you guys to, reach your goals personally and financially. Okay. So with that, guys, let's go ahead and get started with our presentation today with IX Global. Okay, so first and foremost, guys, I just want to make sure we're all on the same page before we get too in depth into everything. So first and foremost, guys, IX Global, us here at IX Global, we are not financial or investment advisors. Okay, past performance does not guarantee future results. We cannot guarantee any ROI, any income from any of our products or services. Okay, we are an educational platform here to help you guys and guide you to learn more about investment opportunities. Okay, you do not invest with IX Global. What you do, guys, is when you become a member of IX Global, you are getting the education, software, and hardware to help you learn more about these opportunities. Okay, so again, you're not investing with IX Global. You are getting the education, you're getting the software, the tools, the resources, and you're becoming a member of the platform to learn more about these opportunities out there and learn how to get involved in these different types of financial markets and everything that we have here to offer. Okay. We recommend here at the bottom, guys, never borrow money to get involved in any business or market, and never invest money you cannot afford to lose. Okay. We want to make sure everyone's safe out there. We want to make sure you guys are being very secure with your money and you're not, putting your life on the line. There is risk involved in the Forex, the crypto, and all the financial markets that we participate in. So we just want to make sure you guys are safe and being smart out there. Okay, so with that being said, guys, let's dive now deeper into what IX Global actually is and how you guys can become a member of this platform. Okay, so IX Global was founded by our CEO and founder, Joe Martinez, and he built this platform on three core principles: innovate, inspire, and impact. Okay, by innovating, we wanted to create the best educational platform that we could to really help people learn and figure out how to actually invest in these markets, learn more about the financial markets, about the Forex, crypto, stocks, indices, binary trading options, all of that stuff to help you guys learn and how to, start finding different ways to invest your money and earn money online. Okay, we want to inspire people to go after their goals, to go after their dreams, and not settle for anything less than that. And we want to impact your guys' lives for the long run. We want to help you guys, again, become the person that you want to become. And through our platform, guys, we have, had so many success stories, so many great testimonials, and so much success so far in these 3 short years that we've been around, guys. And we are looking forward to the long run to help people in their lives for the better. Okay, so what does IX Global have? What do we have to offer? Well, here at IX Global, guys, we have an ecosystem and what I like to call the holy grail for digital entrepreneurs. Okay, everyone wants to learn how to make money online, right? Whether you love your job or you don't, that's not the case, right? The point is, a lot of people just want to find a way to start making money from their mobile device, from their computer, and they want to find a way to make this money online for either extra sources of income or even a full-time income from home, right? And so with that, guys, here at IX Global, we have different educational tools to help you guys learn different ways to start doing that. Okay, we have financial market education, e-commerce platforms. We have our crypto and NFT education and our services, and we have community and leadership to help you guys really learn about this stuff in a group. Right? When you come into IX Global and you start your journey learning about the trading markets, or you learn about the X-Node side and the commodity-backed crypto, and you start participating in these, guys, you guys are not alone. This is not something you got to. This is not a journey you guys have to take alone. You have a community of like-minded individuals that are going to be here to help and guide you along the way and, support you in achieving your goals. Okay. Also, we have our own IX Global social app that's actually going to be getting an update here soon. Okay. I don't know if I'm supposed to say that, but I'm going to let you guys know right now that we're going to be getting a nice update on our IX Global social app. And so what this is, guys, is this is just like an Instagram or Facebook, but it's a lot more positive, where we encourage each other. We post our achievements, our results, our progress, our journey, all of that. And we have like-minded individuals there cheering you on, liking, commenting, and helping you guys, again, go after the goals that you have. Okay. We try to keep everything positive here at IX Global to help everyone, again, achieve those goals. So with that, guys, let's dive a little bit deeper into some of these products and tell you guys about some of the most popular things we have here at IX Global to really help you guys start this journey that you're looking forward to. Okay, the first one, guys, is probably our most popular product and probably one of the reasons you guys are on this call today, because you've heard about X-Node. X-Node is the world's first commodity-backed crypto projects powered by DebtBox. Okay, so what does that mean? Well, first off, let's talk about DebtBox. Okay, DebtBox, or DET, stands for Decentralized Eco-Friendly Blockchain Technology. Okay, and this company came together and decided to really understand, we have all these crypto coins out there: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and Dogecoin, all these meme coins out there. And what they kind of noticed was when we look at these different crypto coins, what's really backing them, right? We don't want to just create another meme coin that's a pump and dump that shoots up for a couple of weeks and then the next few weeks it's down and it never appreciates again, right? That's not something they wanted to do. They wanted to build a crypto token that's built for the long run with stability and longevity, and that is why they took these crypto tokens that they created here on our Debtbox ecosystem and they backed it by real world commodities such as oil, natural gas, gold, agriculture, the beverage industry, the real estate industry, aluminum, and many more to come, guys, that we have launched here. And we're able to essentially support these tokens for the long run. So even if we have some people try to come in and put a lot of money in and pump and dump the system, it's not going to work because these tokens are built for stability and longevity with the actual support from these commodity projects. Okay. So we're going to talk a little bit more about Xnode and how you guys can get involved with these projects and start accumulating token today for these real world assets. Okay, so a lot of the questions that we get, one of the major ones that we get is why would commodities want to partner with a crypto system? Okay. Well, Debtbox has proprietary satellite scanning technology, and they have these satellites in space right now that are able to scan the Earth for nearly any element on the periodic table. Okay, these satellites are part of our Explore project. Okay, this is one of our tokens in our ecosystem, and this allows to kind of support the entire ecosystem of all the commodities where we're able to scan the Earth for those elements or compounds in commodities such as oil, natural gas, water, right, and different types of commodities that are able to actually be found within Earth's crust. Okay. And so what happens, guys, is let's take our oil partners, for example. Okay. Our oil partners, when they're looking at the ground and they're trying to identify where is their oil within Earth, okay, they need to move these big old oil rigs to these spots. And they're trying to essentially guess based on the formations in the ground and other concepts that go into the commodities. They're trying to identify where is their oil or where is there likely to be oil within the Earth, right? But when you really take a step back and you look at the process, it's kind of guesswork, right? They're just trying to, I guess, maybe there's oil here, maybe there's oil there. And if you guys did not know, moving an oil rig from spot to spot, whether it's miles or just a few feet, is going to cost, thousands and thousands of dollars, right? To be able to just move that oil rig. So when they do so and they start drilling empty wells and they're not finding as much oil as they need to, they're kind of wasting a lot of money, wasting a lot of time, and not being very friendly to the environment by digging up all these different empty holes and kind of destroying the Earth in the process, right? Well, with Debtbox, by partnering with Debtbox, our partners are able to use this satellite scanning technology, and they do a 2D scan to identify where that oil is, or any of the commodity partners that we have to identify that commodity where it's in the Earth. And they're able to do a 2D rendering and then do a 3D rendering based on it and identify how much of that commodity was in the Earth and about how far how deep it is within the Earth's crust, right? And so doing so, we take that guesswork out of the searching for that commodity. We're able to help them save time and money by moving that oil rig to exactly where it needs to go. And it's eco-friendly because instead of just drilling all these holes around the Earth, we're able to go to exactly where that commodity is within the Earth and, extract it right away and then move on to the next one, right? So this is what, I guess encourages our commodity partners to really partner with Debtbox. And this is why we're so, a big believer on these projects, is because with this scanning technology, we're able to help our commodity partners produce and sell those our commodities, as well as support our ecosystem and the Earth with our eco-friendly projects. Okay, so you guys can take a look here. This is not something that we hope is going to happen in the future. This is already here, guys. And you guys can see here some of our different projects that we have up here in the top left. This is the black gold. Okay, this is actually backed by our oil projects. And you guys can see the different oil rigs that are partnered with Debtbox. You can see our founder and CEO, Joe Martinez, there went out to this site with a whole bunch of our corporate staff and some of the top leaders in our company. Went out and they visited, they took pictures. There's amazing videos and interviews on our YouTube channel. So if you guys search IX Global on YouTube, you'll be able to find those videos and kind of watch those and learn a little bit more about this. But I want you guys to take a look here at the picture and the bottom right of this top left section, the purple and these red little circles. This is the scan of the oil where they were able to take this, do a 2D scan of identifying where these this oil was, and that's where they know to move these big old oil rigs and start drilling for that oil. Okay, over here to the right, we have our natural gas project. Okay, again, there's that light blue circle. That's the natural gas within the Earth. Then down here in the bottom left, we have our gold and grow in Ghana, Africa. Okay, one of the biggest soybean farms we have out there in Ghana. And we see all the gold areas where they're actually looking and mining for actual physical gold. Okay, and then last but not least, here on the right, we have our aluminum projects where they're looking for the bauxite to be able to create and start the process of aluminum. So you guys can see that all of these projects are physical, they're real. A lot of our projects are in the US and in Ghana currently right now, and we're able to, really start, helping these commodity partners and start, producing producing these commodities and start selling them for profit. Okay. And then what I want you guys to see is that here, this is one of the pictures we took in Ghana when our corporate team went out there to visit and kind of see the different sites. And what I want you guys to understand is the eco-friendly part is huge. That's one of the biggest parts of DebtBox is that E. Okay. When we are looking for these commodities, as I mentioned, we don't have to just dig up, a lot of holes and, remove villages and relocate them and kind of destroy people's homes, anything like that. With our technology, we're able to scan the earth and try to identify where these resources are. And we're able to work around villages. We don't have to move anybody or relocate them, anything like that. We're able to work around them. And actually, with some of our projects like the aluminum farms, the agriculture farms, the grow farms, and the aluminum mines, we're actually able to offer jobs as well to people so they can go on and start earning an income. We're able to provide food and water to nearby villages, all of that within these projects. So this is the real world commodity side that we can see that we're actually having a huge impact on the world and benefiting the people around our projects. Okay. And the last thing I want to say about Ghana is actually when we were out there, this was back in, I believe, November, if I'm not mistaken, of last year, they actually did a scan, and I believe it was for our aluminum project, and they found one of the biggest iron ores in Ghana's history. Okay. Doing so, they're going to be able to provide a lot of jobs for people nearby in this iron ore to start working and collecting this iron, as well as it's going to help industrialize Ghana and help them, continue to develop and become a more industrialized country, right? So definitely a huge impact we're having on the world and with these projects. Okay, so with that being said, that's the commodity side. Real great. We're benefiting them. How do they benefit us, right? How does the support actually work, right? Well, when we, when I say we, I mean DebtBox. When DebtBox provides that satellite scanning technology, funding, resources, they provide it to our commodity partners to help with, producing and selling those natural resources. Okay. This saves them time and money and reduces the waste. When those commodity partners are able to sell their commodity off to wherever they need to, they then sell it, or for whatever, they get that profit, they earn that revenue, and they take a portion of the revenue and they come back into our ecosystem and they purchase tokens out of the ecosystem and send them to what we call the burn wallet. Okay. The burn wallet means we burn those tokens, never to be seen again. And what that does is that decreases the supply of those tokens, right? And when you decrease supply, right, through the theory of supply and demand should increase, and we should see the value of our tokens increase, right? And so what we do is, that one more time to kind of sum this up, is when we provide that support to the commodity partners, they take a portion of the revenue and they purchase tokens out of the ecosystem, decreasing supply, therefore should increase demand and value of our tokens. And so DebtBox wins. The commodity partners win, and us as token and license holders, we're able to actually, have these tokens accumulate, hold on to them. And when they decrease supply and the demand and value of these tokens should go up, we should also win because we're benefiting from that ecosystem, right? So that is how we see the support. And this is why the tokens are built for the long run, because we have those royalties from our actual commodity partners going back into the ecosystem to provide support for our projects. Okay. How cool is that, guy? How cool is that, right? We haven't seen anything like this in the past, or at least I haven't to my knowledge, right? So huge way to really support crypto and digital assets. Okay. So what I want you guys to see here is that this is actually our debt token. This is the central token of our ecosystem. This one is paired with all the other projects, the oil, the natural gas, Explorer, all that kind of stuff. And this token is listed on several exchanges. Okay. You guys can see multiple ones here: PancakeSwap, LBank, Gate.io. And our goal is to be listed on Binance this year. Okay. If you guys don't know, Binance is one of the biggest exchanges worldwide. So when we get listed on Binance, we're expecting a lot of exposure and a lot more people to start investing in these tokens. And we should see the value of these tokens continue to increase. Okay. So how does this work? How can you get involved and start accumulating these tokens, right? Well, here, we've been talking about DebtBox, but this is an IX Global overview. Okay. So IX Global partnered with DebtBox, making us the exclusive distributors of the mining licenses for these projects. Okay. So this is what we call Xnode. Xnode is the actual physical mining license that you guys can purchase to start mining tokens on your digital device, right? Or on your mobile device or your computer. As long as you have an internet connection and a charged device, you are able to start accumulating tokens from a license directly into your Xnode wallet. Okay, so how does this look like, right? How does this work? Well, by becoming a member of IX Global, you can purchase these licenses at a discounted price, and that's how you first get started, right? You purchase a license for the project of your choice, and you get it activated into your wallet. Step two, you start earning these daily rewards. Okay. Tokens will start coming in at a mining rate that you'll be able to see there on your mobile device. And you'll start to see the tokens accumulating day after day, right? This mines 24/7. Okay. Step three is withdraw your rewards and redeem them for whatever you want, right? You can withdraw them for, cash, send it to your bank account. You can withdraw them and make more purchases of licenses within the Netbox ecosystem, right? You can do whatever you want with your tokens. You can also hold them, which is what we recommend because we expect to see these tokens continue to appreciate for the long run. But what I want you guys to understand is that these tokens are yours. They're not something that's going to be held up locked up by IX Global or Netbox for the years to come where you have no access to your tokens. Guys, as soon as you have your license activated, these tokens are mining in your wallet and they are yours. You can withdraw them whenever you feel happy, right? They're in your token. So one more time, guys, to kind of sum this up. Step one, purchase your license. Step two, earn those daily tokens. Step three, withdraw when you're happy, right? And so that's how we can see you guys can get involved and start collecting the tokens for these different projects. Okay. And so what does it look like? Well, here's our Xnode app, guys. And this is your own crypto wallet for these Xnode projects. Okay. So if you've ever set up a crypto.com, Coinbase, even PayPal or Cash App type of crypto wallet, you understand the security that goes into that, right? You have your username, your password, your 2FA, mnemonic phrase, right? 12 words or 24 words. That's in order. You have to spell correctly and it keeps your wallet secure, right? Same thing with Xnode, guys. Xnode, you have all of those to keep your wallet super secure because these tokens are yours. They have real world value. There's already liquidity on the market. They're listed on PancakeSwap and different exchanges to help you guys understand that these tokens have real world value. They're in your wallet. And because of all the security features of your wallet, not your upline, not your family members, not IX Global, not Netbox, nobody can get into your wallet without your permission, right? As long as you keep your username, your password, all of your mnemonic phrases, your 2FA, all of that safe, no one can get into your wallet except for you. Okay. So we have that super secure for you guys. You guys can see all of your tokens in here. You can see all the licenses and you can start seeing the number of tokens start accumulating here and the value of those tokens based on current market prices. Okay, coming over here to the right, we have Netbox cards coming out very soon, guys. This is going to be part of our Swipe project. We're going to have more information about this as updates come out. But the debt card, guys, is going to allow you to, instead of having to go through a huge, long withdrawal process of withdrawing your tokens, you're going to be able to send these tokens to a bank account and be able to use your tokens with a swipe of a card, right? It's going to be a lot easier. It's going to be a lot quicker for you guys to be able to actually access your funds from your Xnode wallet, okay? This is going to be, again, more announcements about this will be coming out very shortly. Right now, it's currently in beta testing. So they have select users practicing with these cards, trying out, making sure they're working before they actually open it up to the public. Okay. Perfect. So let's dive a little bit deeper into how you can purchase a project. What projects do we have and how you guys can start getting involved in these projects. Okay. So we're going to talk about all these projects, just give you a quick overview of what they are and all the different licenses and what we have available for you guys. Okay. So first off, we have debt. This debt license, this was actually to mine the actual debt central token. Okay. This one's currently sold out. Natural gas is backed by natural gas. Black gold or BGLD is backed by, oil. Grow was backed by agriculture. DLG, gold. Aluminum. Explore was our satellite technology. Bev is a really interesting one. This was backed by the beverage industry. So we partnered with companies that are trying to create their own energy drink, alcohol beverage, anything to that degree, any type of beverage. And we're trying to help them, package it and then also distribute it to different stores. Okay. So with that, those people, when they sell their drinks and they are able to earn a revenue, they use that revenue to come back and purchase some tokens out of the ecosystem. Again, decreasing supply, therefore increasing demand, right? So this supports the beverage industry. Okay. Blocks is a really cool one. This one actually backs commercial real estate. Right. There's a lot of people that want to get involved in real estate. There's just a lot to buy a house, to buy something, to be able to start getting involved in real estate. Well, with our Blocks project, you can start earning a digital asset related to commercial real estate. And so every transaction that goes through with our projects, they use that transaction fee to be able to purchase those Blocks tokens out of the ecosystem. How cool is that? Okay. Next one, guys, Drip. Drip is personally my favorite project. And because of the aspects that comes with this, right? When you purchase a Drip license, okay, you get activated to these Drip tokens, which actually are supported by the physical production packaging of retail water, right? And what I mean by that is like sparkling water, bottled water in the stores, any type of water beverage or water product that's used and shipped out to stores. That is what backs our Drip project. So we're able to support the packaging of water, which is a huge industry in the world. Okay. On top of this, though, every time you purchase a license for Drip, not only do you support the production of, and packaging of water, you also help help open up a new water well in a third world country or developing country, giving fresh, clean drinking water to people nearby, right? So there's a charity aspect that comes with this license, that every license purchase, you'll be able to support the opening of a new well in a country that's in, desperate need of clean water nearby, right? So definitely a huge impact we're able to give back to the world with this project. So definitely my favorite project in terms of not only are we supporting the crypto side, the commodity side, we're also giving back to the communities nearby. Okay. And then last but not least, DCM. DCM is actually backed, or actually stands for data center mining. Okay. It's backed by the the support of actual Bitcoin and Ethereum mining. Okay. So how this one kind of works is essentially we have our natural gas wells that are producing this gas, and there's some leakage gas that kind of gets off and usually is just gone off to waste, right? Well, what they did is they rerouted this excess gas that needs to be bled off, and they use it to power the data center minings for Bitcoin, for Ethereum, and all these other crypto coins that need to actually the energy, the hardware to be able to actually produce their type of mining software. Okay, a lot of these crypto coins, there are not cloud mining services like Debtbox. Okay, so Bitcoin needs big, heavy machinery to actually produce and start mining Bitcoin. So we're able to actually do so and power this with our NatG projects and able to start producing those Bitcoin. And every DCM license holder is also going to get an airdrop every quarter of Bitcoin. Okay, so a very kind of cool way to throw into that project and start supporting the entire crypto industry as a whole. Okay, so you guys can see right now, though, DCM, BEV, Grow, Black Gold, natural gas, and debt are unfortunately sold out in terms of perpetual licenses. Okay, when we say perpetual, guys, all of these licenses last for the life of the project. Okay, these licenses will stay mining as long as there's tokens in circulation, and as long as these projects are still producing commodities, your licenses will continue to mine for the life of the project. Okay, one-time purchase, it's your license for that entire perpetual the life of the project. Okay. Now, for as you guys can see, a lot of these are sold out, but we do have Drip, Blocks, Explore, Aluminum, and DLG available for you guys to start purchasing and start collecting tokens for those projects. Okay. Now, I know some people are looking at this and saying, hey, $500 to $2,000, that's kind of expensive for me right now. I can't afford that, but I want to get involved. Don't worry, guys. We have available for you guys to start purchasing and start collecting these tokens in those projects at a much affordable price, as well as the other projects. Okay. And this is in our micronode licenses. Micronodes are only $50 and we have micronodes available for every single project, including Black Gold, NatG, Grow, all the ones we just saw that were sold out. You guys can purchase a micronode license for $50 each, right? And you're able to start collecting these tokens and start participating in these projects and start earning rewards for only $50. Now, the only thing about this is this earns 1% of the mining output of a standard perpetual license. Okay, so for example, for the purpose of this call and this recording, let's say a standard perpetual license for Black Gold, the BGLD project, produces 1,000 tokens. Okay, if that produces 1,000 tokens, right, one micronode of BGLD is going to produce 10 tokens. Okay, that's 1% of 1,000, right? So we're able to see the different mining output, but with the micronodes, because they're such an affordable price, we encourage people to start collecting projects, start collecting these. You can buy them in packs of 3, 5, 10, 15, 20, all the way up to 50. And you can also mix and match projects. Maybe you want 5 Black Gold, maybe you want 5 blocks, 5 BEV, right? You're able to mix and match. You start collecting tokens start collecting licenses that are accumulating tokens in different projects, allowing you to hold on to these digital assets for the long run. Okay. And real quick, guys, I just want to make sure everyone's on the same page. I want to make sure everyone's informed. Xnode is not a pump and dump project. It's not a get rich quick scheme. It's not anything like that, guys. These projects were built for the long run. Debtbox has only existed for 1.5 years, coming up on 2 years now. In November is going to be the 2nd year anniversary of Debtbox. So these projects, guys, are not something that's going to get you rich overnight, right? These are designed to be held for the long run because of the actual commodity support that we have, right? And the royalties that come from these projects, they are built for, holding on to these for the years to come. They're built with stability and longevity, meaning you can have a digital asset that you can hold on for the years to come and possibly even build generational wealth to where you can pass this down to your kids and they can have these tokens that are backed by real world commodities that are, producing within the world, and you're able to start earning an income from by simply holding on to those tokens. Okay. Now, again, for the purpose of this call and this recording, guys, we cannot guarantee that these tokens will have value in the years to come. We cannot guarantee any ROI, anything like that, right? What this means, guys, is we simply want you guys to become educated, make sure you guys ask questions, do your research, and understand what these projects are all about before getting involved. And if you believe that these tokens have the potential to increase and see maybe even Bitcoin prices, right? See these tokens appreciate over time with real world commodities, then this project is for you. And that's what we want you guys to understand, is that with these projects, these are, again, not something that you purchase today, you're a millionaire tomorrow, right? We're not promoting that whatsoever, guys. These are tokens that we encourage you guys to collect, hold on for the long run, and start, holding on to these and accumulating these tokens to be able to hold on for potential appreciation in the years to come. Okay. Now, last thing I want to mention here is the debt micronodes, guys. We also have micronodes to start mining the debt token, right? Again, at 1% mining output. These are $200, not 50%, or excuse me, $50. All the other tokens are $50 except the micronode. The micronode licenses are, the debt micronode licenses are $200 because this token has some additional benefits and things that come with it. And it's the central token of our ecosystem. Okay. So that's just wanted to clear that up. Make sure you guys know debt micronodes, $200. The rest of the other projects, $50 each. Okay. So once again, guys, this is the X node side of our company, right? The commodity-backed crypto projects, something we are super excited about. We have, education on this as well that we're going to talk about. But one of the other things that we have here at IX Global is not just this commodity side and the crypto side of things, but we also have the financial market education or the trading education to help you guys learn about all the financial markets, such as crypto, Forex, commodities, indices, stocks, right? Bonds, all of that kind of stuff. We have the ability for you guys to learn about these markets and even participate and start trading these as a day trader, swing trader, long-term holder, whatever it may be, guys. We teach you guys the strategies that we have here at IX Global to help you guys learn how to invest in these markets. Okay. We have multiple trading teams, over 10 available trading teams for you guys to start learning different strategies and start participating in these markets. And two of them that I really want to highlight are Empire IX and Driven Trading. Now, Empire IX is my favorite personally, but I'm a little biased because I'm actually one of the educators for Empire IX, where I'm one of the IX market experts, where we're able to actually break down what we call the institutional trading method of trading, right? Where we teach smart money concepts, smart money methods to learn about the financial markets. Instead of using retail trading patterns, support and resistance, or a bunch of indicators where you see all these lines crossing and you have no idea what you're looking at, we focus on price action, right? Simply the candlesticks. And with the institutional trading method, to give you guys a quick overview, what we're looking for is simply what are the banks going to do next? If you guys didn't know, the banks, the large institutions, heavy investors, right? They are the ones that actually move the markets because they have the capital to do so, right? You, me, all of us individuals, we're known as retail traders. We trade from, our mobile devices, our homes, whatever it may be, with our smaller account sizes. We're essentially going along for the ride. We're not going to be the ones that are actually making big time moves in these markets. We're going to be on the side and trying to find where these banks going to make the move, right? So wouldn't you agree that the best plan of attack would be try to identify what these banks and what these big investors are going to do next for us to then jump in with them? Right. And that's what we believe with Empire. And that's why we teach the institutional trading method, where we're able to look and identify and try to predict where the banks are actually going to make their move and how we can jump in with them. Right. We look for signs of bank manipulation. We look for signs of big explosive moves, high volume, high volatility, all that kind of stuff. And this is what we teach within our academies and our educational program to help you guys learn how to find out what the banks are going to do next, how to avoid their manipulation and jump in with them. Okay. My favorite analogy is think about a surfer. If you've ever surfed before, if you've seen someone surf, what happens? They grab their board, they go out into the ocean, and when they see a wave come, what do? They stand up on their board and they surf that wave. They go with the flow of the ocean, right? They don't try to go against the wave, right? Try to go over it or through it or anything like that, right? Because what's going to happen? If you try to go against that wave is just going to swallow you up, knock you down underwater. You're going to get water in your nose. You're not going to find a lot of success, right? Well, same thing in the markets, guys. We don't want to go against the banks. We don't want to go against the markets. We want to find out where the banks are going to push the markets and how we can jump in with them, right? And so that's what we teach at Empire IX, but we're just one of the trading teams here, guys. We have Driven Trading. It's an amazing platform. We'll talk about them in just a minute, as well as some additional teams like FX Pro, FX Vertex, right? All these different teams that you guys can learn and earn with here at IX Global. Okay, so how can you start learning with us? Well, as I mentioned, guys, we have academies, and one of our most popular one is the Master Trading University by us here at Empire IX. And this is a university style academy that's going to introduce you to smart money concepts from a freshman through senior level type of course, right? So just like in a college or university course, you'll enroll as a freshman, go through all the freshman level content, take the freshman level quiz at the end of the content. And if you pass with an 80% or higher, you move on to sophomore, then to junior, then to senior. And if you pass that senior level quiz with an 80% or higher, you'll receive your certificate of completion, verifying that you guys are a certified smart money trader in the eyes of us here at Empire. Okay, so how cool is that, guys? You guys get to come in here at IX Global, become a member, start learning with multiple teams. You can take our Master Trading University and earn your certificate as a smart money trader. Okay, so we have this academy. We have additional academies from us at Empire, as well as, additional academies from different teams out there, like Forex the Basics, what is crypto, right? So whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or advanced level trader, we have the education for you guys to help you take your trading to the next level. Okay. We also have live classes and trading sessions that you guys can learn from. And, just on Zoom calls, just like this, you'll be able to hop on, ask your questions. We'll take those concepts you learn from the academies and help you guys build on those and help you guys to continue to improve. Okay. And one of those live educators is Empire, as well as Driven. Driven have live classes. They teach their strategies and help you guys learn within their platform, as well as their academies to help you guys learn their strategies. Okay. Driven is one of our newer teams that has come to IX Global. So I definitely want to give them a big shout out. They have an amazing platform, super innovative technology, including their Driven trading app that allows you guys to go on there and start taking trade ideas from their experts with a click of a button. You'll be able to download this app, log in with your IX credentials. And once they send out trade alerts, you'll be able to see the trades that they're taking. And if you like the trade, you can copy it, paste it in your trading app, and be able to take the same exact trades as these experts here from Driven Trading. Okay, they have years of experience, fully licensed traders. Right, shout out to Corey and his team. An amazing platform here with the Driven Academy. Okay. But on top of that, not only do you get access to Driven trade alerts, you also get access to Empire trade alerts and all the additional teams here. And our trade alerts come from our Telegram channels, where you guys can join these and start learning and earning with us here today. When you join the Empire X Telegram channel, you'll be able to get access to all of our classes, all the leagues, even resources that we have for you guys, like our trade journal and exponential growth tracker and our trading plan template to help you guys develop your trading strategy. But we also give you guys our trade alerts, where you guys can come in here, copy and paste the numbers in an easy read format, paste it into your MetaTrader 4 app or your trading app, whichever one you're using, and be able to take the exact same trades as us as well, right? You'll be able to win when we win and lose when we lose. And the reason why I say that, guys, is because I don't want you guys to think that we're those Facebook or Instagram gurus out there that say, hey, join my Telegram channel. We never lose. We're 100% guaranteed this, guaranteed that, blah, 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 blah. Guys, run away from those. We are not those type of people, right? Those are probably your scammers. I personally have never met a trader in my life that's been 100%. And that's not what you need to be focused on. When you're trading in these markets, it's not about winning every single trade. It's about using proper risk management and low risk, high reward setups. Okay. And we teach you this kind of stuff here at Empire. That's one of the first things we teach you, is helping you guys understand that we want to risk a low amount and go for high amounts. Okay. We're, risking small portion of our account and we're going for big rewards. And that's going to help you guys understand that even if you lose 1, 2, or even 3 trades, you're able to still come up with that fourth trade. If you get a big win, you're able to take out all those losses and be able to make all that profit back with that fourth win, right? All you got to do is win 1 out of 4 trades or even more, right? I was actually watching this video earlier. They were talking about this great trader. I can't think of his name, but Mark Douglas is a great trader, great trading coach, and from the past and the late 1900s. He recently passed away a few years ago, but he was talking about one of the best traders in the entire world was 5% accurate. He lost 95% of his trades, but he was still one of the most successful traders in history because of low risk, high reward setups, where he'd lose a lot, but he'd lose small portion. And when he got a win, it'd be a monster. It'd be a huge win. And so that is the key to trading, guys. If you guys want to learn the holy grail of trading, that's what it is, right? There is no perfect strategy out there that's going to help you win every single trade. It's about using proper risk management, which you guys can learn with us here at IX Global and Empire IX. Okay. And to show you guys, we're very transparent about our results. We are not going to lie to you guys about any of our trading results, anything like that. So every single week and every single month, we post our monthly results for every single team. You guys can see here, we have all the different channels from FX Dubai to Empire to Driven Trading. You guys can see the different results from June. You guys can see all the wins, the losses, and the efficiency to show you guys how well we've done. And, even how many losses we have, how many wins, all that kind of stuff you guys can see here in our results. Okay, so if you guys want more results as well, we have additional months and additional weeks that we have from the past. If you guys want more that information, make sure to reach out to the person that invited you. They can get you those results so you guys can see our track record over time. Perfect. Okay. And just again, for the sake of this call and this recording, I just want to say a quick little disclaimer, guys. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Participating in these financial markets does involve risk, and your individual results may vary based on how many trades you take and how much you risk per trade. Okay. Awesome. So with that, guys, that is the trading education more specifically, but it's really about financial market education is what we have here at IX Global. And with that, we also introduced our X-Note Specialist program back in April, allowing you guys to become fully educated about your licenses, about X-Note and the financial markets in general. Okay, so this program, guys, includes live X-Note sessions Monday through Friday with myself. I'm one of the X-Note specialists, as well as one of my colleagues from Empire, Garrison, right? We kind of break down the English side of the X-Note specialist calls. We also have Hindi trainings right now live. I believe Spanish will be coming very soon. But just to kind of show you guys what these calls are all about is we're going to help you guys learn everything about X-Note that you need to know. We're going to walk through all the platforms, help you guys understand your wallet, understand what your license is, how it works, how to withdraw, how to swap, all of this different stuff within the X-Note platform. So you guys know exactly how to navigate your wallet and you understand your license fully. Okay, we also do project spotlight calls where we break down a project in depth, talk about the tokenomics, talk about the commodity side, talk about the future of what we expect to see. And because me and Garrison from Empire, because we're traders first, and we've traded for years now, we also break down the X-Node charts where we are able to show you guys what we predict is going to happen on our X-Node pairs in the upcoming weeks and the upcoming months for the prices of our projects. Okay, so we show you guys, break it down what our analysis is. We kind of tell you what we're kind of looking for to help you guys and give you guys some insight on maybe when's there a good time to buy more tokens or even more licenses, or even when is there a good time to maybe sell some of my tokens, right? That's going to be the key to helping you guys maximize your X-Node potential. So we highly recommend you guys hop on these calls and learn a little bit more about X-Node so you guys can fully understand your licenses. Okay. On top of this, guys, we're going to be continuing to improve this program. We're working on an X-Node Academy right now to help you guys, continue to watch those in your back office and start learning again more about X-Node, as well as we're going to be offering technical support calls where in your back office you'll be able to go in there with your team or yourself, right, and do more of a one-on-one type of session where you'll be able to hop on a call, schedule a call with either myself or any of the other X-Node specialists and be able to ask your questions in a more private setting or even with your team specifically so we can answer those questions. And if there's anything, wrong with your license or anything you want to know, we're able to answer those for you guys in a more private setting. Okay, so X-Node Specialist Program, guys, a very great way for you guys to start learning and becoming educated about your projects. Okay. And on top of that, guys, last but definitely not least is we here at IX Global, we, encourage people to start learning about the financial markets, but we also want to help you with your personal goals. We want to help you guys become the person that you want to become. And so what we did, guys, is we launched the Living the Legacy course with Bob Proctor. If you guys don't know who Bob Proctor is, he's like the godfather of personal development, where he took some time and really read the book Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. And he really dove deep into this and tried to learn, what is this all about? And he taught a course on, what is Think and Grow Rich all about? And he really brought forward what made successful people successful, right? And so he really kind of, gives you guys this course to help you learn how to become a better person, how to duplicate the process of what these successful people did in our lives and how we can continue to grow and become the person that we want to become. So here at IX Global, we have partnered with this foundation, and we have been able to actually bring this course alive where people are able to come in here, start taking his course and participating in live calls with our CEO and the CEO of this project to help you guys learn and again, become a better version of yourself. Okay. We're big on personal development. We want you guys to continue to improve and, again, become that person that you want to become. Me personally, guys, I'm big on reading. That is one of my biggest forms of personal development. I'm actually reading right now, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by John Murphy. Huge book, right? I love it, right? It's telling you how to use your subconscious mind to help you guys have a great positive attitude, overall great attitude towards your goals to help you guys achieve those goals. So I highly recommend that book if you guys want looking for a good read. But on top of that, guys, we have this course for you guys to take. So if you want more information about the Living the Legacy course, reach out to the person that invited you. They can get you some more information and pricing and all of that for this course. Okay. But on top of that, guys, I know some people are excited. They want to learn about the trading education or the X-Node side. So how can you get involved? Well, now let's talk about the membership packs that we have here at IX Global. And we're going to start here on the top left. We have the basic, pro, and premium memberships. These are going to be your trading educational or the financial market education packages. Okay. So if you're brand new, you've never traded before, you don't know anything about the financial markets, but you want to get started now, guys, we recommend the basic pack. The basic pack is $50 a month. And this includes the IX Academy, 2 trade alert channels, and it gives you all the beginner steps of like what is Forex, what is crypto, all the terminology that you need to know. And this is what I like to say is like getting your feet wet about the trading markets, right? Understanding the financial markets. Okay, so if you're a brand new beginner, we recommend the basic pack just to kind of get familiar with this stuff and make sure you understand that what it is and excuse me, lost my train of thought there, but make sure you guys will understand what it is and that it's something that you guys want to fully pursue. Okay. Now, when you're ready to start learning strategies and start learning how to trade in these markets, we recommend the pro membership at least, right? The pro membership includes everything in the basic membership and it's $130 a month, but you get access to 10 additional alert channels, including Empire IX, giving you guys the access and the ability to start learning the institutional trading method and start learning strategies on how to look for opportunities in these markets. Okay. You'll be able to hop on the live sessions with us, see how we trade live, see how we take those concepts and apply it to the markets. You'll be able to ask your questions and be informed and help you guys get the mentorship and guidance that you guys deserve. Okay. Then last but not least, if you want all of that and access to the Driven Academy and the Driven Trading app, we recommend the premium membership. That's $175 a month. You get access to everything in the basic, everything in the pro, and access to Driven Trading, their platforms and their app. Okay. So those are the trading education side. But if you just want to do the Xnode side, don't worry, guys. We have those packs available for you guys as well. You guys can join IX Global with a basic micro or a premium micro pack. Okay. A basic micro pack is $150 a month. This includes the IX Academy and the Xnode Specialist Program and 3 micro licenses. Okay. When you pay this $150 a month, you get your licenses of the project of your choice. You'll be able to add those licenses to your account to start mining, and you get access to the education to learn all about your licenses. Okay. Now, if you, when I say $150 a month and you purchase this project, right? Remember those micronodes and all those licenses, they are perpetual, meaning they last the life of the project. Okay. So if you purchase a basic micro pack for $150 a month for that first month and you get your 3 licenses, let's say the next month comes around and you want to renew for another $150 a month, you still get access to the academies, but you also get an additional 3 micro licenses, giving your total 6 now. Okay. So for example, let's say you do want to continue to purchase micro pack every single month. Every single month you renew this $150 pack, you get 3 more micro licenses, 3 more micro licenses, 3 more micro licenses. Okay. You can keep the same exact project and keep collecting those tokens, or those licenses, or you can mix and match and every other month, maybe switch up the project and get different licenses for different projects, whatever your choice is. That's what you guys can do with these micro packs. Okay. Now, let's say you want to stop after the first month, you purchase your micro nodes and then you stop, you don't want to renew your package. Don't worry. Unfortunately, you don't get access to the education, but you still have those licenses mining for you in your wallet. Okay. So remember, these licenses are perpetual. They're a one-time purchase. So if you come in here for 1 month, purchase your basic micro, you get 3 micro licenses for the life of the project. Okay. Same thing for the premium micro, but it's $250 a month and you get 5 micro licenses. Okay. Now, if you want to do both micronodes and the trading side, guys, we have our combo packs, pro combo, premium combo. Pro is $250 a month. It includes the pro membership and 3 micronodes. And then the premium combo includes premium membership and 5 micronodes for $350 a month. Okay. So these are the memberships and benefits of how you guys can become a member here at IX Global and start participating in the products and services that we have for you guys to help you guys learn about the financial markets, start participating in either the crypto, the Forex, the stocks, whatever market that you're interested in, guys. We have this available for you guys. So if you want to purchase one of these packs right now, reach out to the person that invited you. They can help you get started, help you sign up, and welcome you to the IX community. Okay. So with that though, guys, we are not done. We have one more part of our presentation that I want to talk about, is that this is the products and memberships, the services side that you guys can become a member of IX Global to start getting access to all of this stuff, start learning, start becoming the person that you want to become, and start, improving your life and reaching the goals that you want. Now, on top of this, guys, what we have here at IX Global is something unique, right? And we don't have, a huge commercials out there. We don't have any big billboards, anything promoting our services other than our brand ambassadors. Okay. We support our brand ambassadors wholly, right? IX Global grows through word of mouth, right? So if you want to take part in the brand ambassador program here and build an online business, you have the ability to here at IX Global. Okay. By simply sharing the platform and referring members to the company, you guys are able to start earning a part-time income, full-time income, or even a fortune here with our compensation plan. Okay, there are 4 ways you guys can get paid and start building your business here with IX Global. Let's dive a little bit deeper into this. And I want to make sure everyone understands this is completely optional. Just as, the products and services are optional, this is also optional. You want to choose what's best fit for you. Okay. But if you want to start learning ways to build an online business, this is one of the ways you can here with IX Global. Okay. So how does this work, right? Well, first and foremost, guys, we have our direct bonus. Okay. So let's say you join a pro pack, you love learning with Empire IX, you pay the $130 price every single month and you love learning with Empire. Okay. And let's say you want to go out there and you want to tell somebody, you tell your family and friends, and let's say your brother's like, hey, that sounds so cool, I want to sign up. Well, if you send them your referral link, every member of IX Global gets a referral link. If you send that out to your brother and he signs up on a pro pack as well, you get 10 US dollars in your back office that you can use towards your subscription, or you can withdraw. That is your money you get for simply referring someone to the platform. Okay. You refer them, they join, they love it. And let's say your brother wants to renew the next month. Well, guess what, guys? This is not a one-time thing. If you refer him and he renews his subscription next month and he purchases another pro pack, you'll get another $10. Okay. So this is an ongoing thing. Every time you refer a member to a platform and they continue to renew their subscription, you will get this direct bonus every single month. Okay. Now, if they join a basic pack, it's $5, premium pack is $25. And again, as the pro is $10. Okay. We also have direct bonuses for all of our other licenses and products and packages. So if you guys want to learn more about those, we can get you the full breakdown of what the direct bonus is for each of those products. But just to give you guys an insight on what the referral or the direct bonus is here at IX Global. Okay. Now, on top of that, let's say you invite your family, right? And your brother, your dad, and your mom, they all want to join, right? And they all purchase their own package. Let's say they all want to join the Pro Pack and learn with Empire IX. They all purchase the Pro Pack. So every single one, all three of them, when they purchase, you get 10 US dollars from each of them. Okay, that's 30 US dollars total from each of them. What IX Global will do is, because you referred 3 members, they will give you an additional 100 US dollars as what's known as the apprentice bonus. And that also goes to you as a bonus for simply referring 3 people to the platform. Okay. So with that, guys, you earned 10 US dollars from each of them. That's 30 US dollars plus the $100 bonus. That is now giving you 130 US dollars in your back office for simply inviting 3 people to learn with you here at here at IX Global. Okay. So what does that mean, guys? You now have 130 US dollars. Your subscription that you pay for a Pro Pack is $130. You can now pay your subscription with these bonuses and not have to pay out of pocket anymore. This is what I like to refer to as a 3 and free scholarship, because you invite 3 people. Now your subscription is getting paid for from IX Global if you choose, right? You can also withdraw it if you like. It's your money. You can do what you want with it, guys, but you have the ability to just pay your subscription by simply inviting 3 people to learn with you. Okay. That's the direct bonus, the apprentice bonus. We also have rank bonuses. Now, if you want to take this to another level, right, instead of just referring family and friends, and you want to start building that online business that we talked about, and you want to start inviting clients and customers to the platform, you guys can do so and become a full-time brand ambassador here at IX Global to start earning these different weekly ranks, right, from builder all the way to elite ambassador. And you can earn anywhere from $8,750 a week all the way up to $2,000 a week. Okay. And again, I am saying weekly, guys. We pay weekly here at IX Global, allowing you guys to build an online business where if you invite, 1,000 people, you're going to get paid out, a very, a very great portion for those 1,000 people, right? You're going to get paid. There's no limit to how you can build your business, right? So you guys can build this business and continue to reach these different ranks. And again, go from anywhere from $8,750 a week to $2,000 a week, in addition to the direct and apprentice bonuses. Okay. And then on top of that, guys, the fourth way you can get paid is your commissions, right? Your team commissions. When you build out your business, you bring in people, you're able to build out 2 teams, a left team and a right team. You can work with these. It can be business partners, clients, customers, whatever you guys want. And you guys can build your team, and you'll earn anywhere from 10 to 20% based on the commission volume, which we'll get into more in depth on what exactly that means if you're interested in this side of the company, which allows you guys, though, to earn, again, anywhere from 10 to 20% on the weaker team volume, in addition to all the bonuses that we have. Okay. And so what I want you guys to see is, you guys can see we have a full compensation plan for you guys. We are voted top 10, I believe it's 7th in the entire industry in our compensation plan. And you guys can see all the different, levels of different ranks that you guys can use to maximize this compensation plan. And I know some of the terminology and all of this kind of looks a lot right now, but if you're interested in learning more about this, again, reach out to the person that invited you. They can give you some more information. Reach out to me. I can give you some more information about the compensation side, but you guys are able to come in here, and whether you want to do this as a part-time online business, a full-time online business, or even earn a fortune with this, you have the ability to here at IX Global. Okay. Right now, guys, we are number 2 in momentum in the entire industry of network marketing. We have a lot of growth. A lot of people are loving our products and services. So people are coming to IX Global, and if you invite them, you can get paid for very comfortably, right, with all of this kind of stuff. Okay. We also have the number 2 earner in the entire industry in Viraj Patil. He's based out of India, and he's earning about $1.2 million a month with our compensation plan. Okay. Number 2 earner in the entire industry, guys. So you guys can see the potential that you have here with IX Global. Okay. Our compensation plan, the sky's the limit. So you guys can see that, again, with this optional side of IX Global, you're able to build your business, and you're able to start earning an income by simply referring people to the platform. Okay. And so what I want you guys to understand is I know that was kind of a lot there at the end with all the terminology and stuff. I don't want you guys to be overwhelmed or anything like that. And just keep in mind, everything here at IX Global is optional. We want to find the best fit for you, right? So we have our X Note side, helping you guys get involved with the commodity-backed crypto, holding on to those projects for the long run, those tokens to start accumulating those tokens and holding on to them. We also have the trading education, the financial market education to help you guys learn how to invest in the financial markets. And then we also have our business side that you guys can start participating in and start referring people to the platform. Okay. You can do one of those. You can do two of those. You can do all three, whatever works best for you guys. We are here to help you guys find the best fit for you. And so with all of that, guys, that is pretty much it for me here today. What I want you guys to do, if you guys don't mind, is simply one, thank the person that invited you here today to hear about this opportunity, start learning and earning with us here at IX Global. But number two, guys, also just take the time, think about this, about all the information you hear today. Make sure you guys do your own research and learn a little bit more about our platform. Ask questions, guys. We're here to help you guys. And again, we want to help you decide what is the best fit for you. Okay. We want to help you guys make that decision for yourself, right? What is going to be the best fit? Is IX Global going to benefit me? If you guys feel that it is, we're here to help you guys find the product and service that's going to work best for you. And we're here to help you guys and welcome you with open arms.